Welcome back to our channel Quick Learning. So now I will tell you about HR management functions. In my previous video, I told you about what is HR, its basic functions, and what are the challenges you faced in HR. So now I will tell you about the HR management functions. So basically, HR management involves designing the formal system that are used to manage people in an organization. So the 7 functions of HR management can be visualized as follows. Number one, strategy and planning. Number two, equal employment opportunity. Then staffing, talent management, rewards, risk management, and worker production. And finally, the employee and labor relation. So, HR functions. HR functions can be global, environmental, cultural or geographical, political, social, legal, economic, and technological. So these are all the functions of HR. Number one function can be strategic HR management. Then we have equal employment opportunity, staff, talent management, total rewards, risk management, worker protection, and employee and labor relations. So all of them has different details which is mentioned in a graph in this diagram. So now the major functions of HR can be the recruitment and selection of your employees, obviously, then payroll, personal administration, performance management, career and succession planning, compensation and benefits packaging, training, development, career counseling, job evaluations, job description, policies, codes and ethics, dismissals and terminations, legal compliance, employee industrial relation, and managing benefits. So these are some functions of HR. Then, what is the role of HR management? So it is a frequently asked question that what can a HR do? Like many people think that it is not as technical as some engineering work or finance work, but the HR has a lot of functions, and the role he plays a major role in the department and in your organization. Like he plays an administrative role, so he can process information and record keeping, technology and its administrative role, software, ERP, etc. Then he can outsourcing the administrative role, so it can save money, vendor expertise and technology. Then second role of HR management is operational and employee advocate role. So balance the needs of employees with the needs of organizations. Employers could face lawsuits, regulatory complaints, and employees with poor work attitude. Then strategic role. So addressing business realities, focusing on future business requirements and understanding how the management of human capital fits into the organization's plan. Then involved in devising and implementing strategies such as mergers and acquisitions. And finally, develop policies that place the right people for the right job at the right time to achieve organizational goal. So, HR management challenges. So there can be 4 types of challenges like competitive, cost pressure and structuring, then globalization, changes in workforce and technology advancement. Number 1, competition, cost pressure and restructuring. So use international outsourcing, change management practices, increase productivity and decrease labor cost. So number 1 is job shifts. It has a growth. So if you have a growth in job shift, then you can see freelance professionals, culture officers help organizations to develop and strengthen an organization's climate and overall well-being. Then we have decline. So social media experts, tool booth operator, typist, retail, cashier, etc. Then number second is skill shortages. So new graduates, job readiness, and specific job related skills. Then we have a globalization. So trade and investment, integration of global operations and strategic alliances, legal and political factors, common challenges for global HR like strategy, people, complexity, and risk. Then a changing workforce. So racial and ethnic diversity, gender, age, and reverse mentoring. So fourth challenge that HR faces is the technology, like benefits and challenges of technology, mobile devices, the use of mobile devices, the power of social media, and the risk of social media, how to handle the social media. So these are some challenges that HR face in their use of a human resource information system. So human resource information system has HR planning and analysis, that has all these things under HR planning and analysis. Then we have equal employment, then we have staffing, then HR development, then compensation and benefits, health, safety and security, lastly employee labor relations. So this is a very good slide for you people if you are planning for your exam and if you are preparing for your interview as well. So just remember the basic points here and you are ready for your next interview. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel, comment and like and share with your colleagues. Thank you.